In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So if you look at this data set, it is set up so each line is a person and there's information about each person. So this is Andrew. He got a 62 in statistics. It's a male. He's white and his age is 18. And the next line is Jenny. She got a 95 in statistics. She's a female. She's white and she's 19. And if we want to make a pie chart about the variable sex, for instance, then the way the data is currently organized is actually not ideal for making a pie chart. So we have to transform the data into a table that's easier to understand in terms of Microsoft Excel. So I've gone ahead and done that, and I've put it in a new sheet like this. And what I've done is I've counted up the number of males and the number of females, and I've also included a percentage. So you could do a pie chart using the N or a pie chart using percentages. My preference is always, of course, to use percentages. So we're going to make a pie chart for the variable sex. The first thing you want to do once you have your data set up this way is you want to select the data that's going to go into the pie chart. So here we're going to use the percentages. And you just click on the top cell and then drag it down, making sure the arrow looks like this American Red Cross. So you click on that first cell and then just drag it to highlight both cells at the same time. And then you're going to go up to the insert menu and you're going to see a lot of different things pop up, and you'll see these recommended charts and all these different things pop up. And yours might look a little bit different than mine depending on which version of Microsoft Excel you're using. And I want you to choose a pie chart. Oh, look, it's the first one. It's recommending. We're going to choose a pie chart. So go ahead and click OK. And you can see that the pie chart automatically appears. So once you've created this, there's a lot of chart tools that pop up right here in the middle of your screen at the very top. And there's design options and format options. So if you click on design for the chart tools, then you can choose some of the quick layout options over here and make them pretty. So you want a title, maybe percentages and a legend. So maybe something like that one. Okay. So we can see here that it's rounding to the nearest whole number, 52%. So this orange piece of pie is the females and this blue piece of the pie is the males. So we can add a chart title, which you always want to do. And it's a figure because it's a pie chart. Figure 1, sex of, I didn't give you much information about these people, so we'll just say sex of 33 respondents who took stats. Okay. And so make sure you have a title. But if you just looked at this chart, you wouldn't know which was which. So we need to tell our audience which is which. So if you go over here with your arrow, you take your arrow and click on the 1 and 2 that automatically populated when you created your chart this way, then it's going to highlight these two squares. And if you right click that, a little box will pop down and we're going to select data. Okay. And you can see we can edit the 1 and the 2 here. So we can go ahead and put edit, and you can enter your axis label range. But an easy way to do this is just to take your cursor and go over here and highlight males and females. So click on the top one and drag it down. And you can see it underneath, it changed it for you. You can click OK and OK. And so here you have a nice title, you have a pie chart with the data labels, and you have a legend. So it's easy to understand. If you click off the chart and you accidentally click over here, you'll see that the chart options go away. And so if you want those options to come back, make sure that you have highlighted your figure, and then the chart tools will come back. And you can change the colors if you want. You can scroll down and pick different colors. You can make it kind of cool looking. You can do lots of things to make it really pretty.